guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a clean with me. It is Friday morning, ish, almost Friday afternoon. And I just had breakfast-ish, brunch, I guess. And I am going to start cleaning my room and my apartment actually. We had a party last weekend, very small party, people we see every single day. So obviously it wasn't a big deal. I'm going to start cleaning my room. It's been a hot second. I also had a friend come into town recently, so I need to clean my room from that as well. Everything is just a hot mess right now. Everything is a hot mess. So I'm going to take you guys along to clean my apartment. Lighting in here sucks. So I just made my bed and I cleaned up my floor because like literally there wasn't that much on the floor. It just didn't look good. So now it's just like hanging up a bunch of my clothes and stuff that I've worn, or putting away stuff that I've worn. So I'll probably fold a bunch of stuff and yeah. Okay, so my room is like done for the most part. I'm gonna be filming a closet organization video and a room organization video in general because yeah, I really need it. I have so much stuff and more room than stuff, so I keep filling my room with stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to kind of get to do that. I'll probably do that soon. It'll probably be up within the next week or so. Yeah, I am finished with my bedroom, mostly with my bathroom. I'm not actually gonna like deep clean my bathroom. I'm just going to pick up the confetti that we had from our party and clear off, you know, the counter and everything like that. I'm also gonna move to the kitchen and the living room. They're kind of like conjoined. So yeah. Okay, I just put most of the stuff away in the kitchen. I'm sweating because I'm also listening to music and dancing. I started the dishwasher already, and I have a ton of dishes to do. My roommate and I work full-time, both of us, so it's really hard when we don't have days off to like get ourselves to like really do a lot of cleaning. I feel like that's very common in a lot of different people, especially our age and especially how much we work. Like 40 hours a week is a lot. Then to come home and take care of like every single thing is hard, so you kind of have to pick and choose. However, I am so close to having the kitchen pretty much cleaned. It really is a mess, and I'm like really embarrassed that it got this bad, but at the same time, I'm also just, it is what it is, and it's not like I'm not cleaning it, and it's not like I'm not wanting to clean it. So this is literally a couple days worth, probably no, a week's worth of stuff. This isn't like months or, you know, even weeks. Like it's like 1 week's worth of stuff. So it's not bad at all. I'll get it done in the next hour. So I actually have somewhere I have to be at 2. So I am excited to get this done. Let's just go. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm finished with the kitchen. I might just go ahead and do the living room as well because it's not gonna take very much. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. I am back. I totally forgot to film my cleaning my kitchen and my living room. So I just kind of was in a pinch and I had to hurry and do it. However, I am back now. It is clean for the most part. And I am eating some food. I'm eating some ramen and some corn. It's very hodgepodge, very random. And I'm also watching What a Girl Wants. I will give you guys a rundown of our apartment real quick, just because it is clean for the most part, and I worked hard on it. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. Okay, so this is the entranceway right here. We have a little office area with our things hung right here. But anyways, beside the point. We had confetti all over the ground. So I cleaned that up, except right there because the vacuum kept spitting it out for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, I just kind of left it, and I'll have to pick it up later, but not a big deal. So it's all, we had like trash and stuff piled up, and not even piled up. It's just bad. But this is all clean now. This is all clean. That's my bedroom back there. Just got a couple things laying on the floor. I did the dishes, and I put everything away. This is just like random stuff that I pulled out of the dishwasher here, and I just used that to make my corn. So I have to put that away as well. But the floor is swept. The dishes are done. There's stuff in the dishwasher I need to run. But yeah, no, everything is pretty much done. Let me show you the final product of my room. I just got a new pillowcase. My mom got me one for my birthday, and it was the same one as I already had, so I took it back and got a white one because I already had like a pink one. So this is just the final product. That's still kind of a mess in there, so pay no attention to that, but everything else is done, and I'm very excited. That is my clean apartment, clean with me. I am excited to kind of do more of those. I haven't really had the opportunity to do too many of those, or even to film. I feel like I've just been so busy, but I am going to try to film more consistently as well. So yeah, that'll do it for this clean with me. If you guys like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my Instagram and my Poshmark down below. I am trying my best to upload to Poshmark as much as I can, and Instagram as well. But yeah, no, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye guys.